Look at that, brother. Look at that. Can you see this? This is my old watch. Look at. The problem inside when I do this is reset many times. No light here, nothing. What is this? It's not working very well. Can you see this? Why? I put so much money on this and now it's not working very well. Why? Jesus, help me. Look at that. Woo! This is a miracle. A miracle from Jesus. Look at what I have here in front of me. The brand new Huawei World Fate. Can you see this? This is Huawei Fate new. So beautiful. And today, I decided to make the unboxing of this new watch to replace my old watch. Are you ready for that? Get ready. Get ready. QR code. Beautiful. And look at that. Huawei World Fit new. You can see something important here. AMOLED display. This is good. Long battery life. This is amazing. Built-in GPS, water resistant. This is unbelievable. I love it. I love it. And look at that. This is 2020 watch. Nice. Graphic black silicone strap. You can see color graphic black. Okay. And I'm ready now to make the unboxing of my brand new and first smartwatch ever. After the iPhone 12 Pro Max, my first iPhone ever. Now this is my first smartwatch ever. Do you believe it? Wow. Okay, get ready for the unboxing right now. Let's do it. Okay, I'm ready, bro. I'm ready. Bro, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your families. And on the description, there's a link. When you click on this link, you can access to all of my bank details. Okay, if you want to make donation to support our channel, GNANGSTUDIO 40, you can make bank transfer to support use. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you, bro. Now let's go. What is this? This is my brand new watch and what I'm doing to you. Wow, can you see this? This box is so beautiful. It's so nice. Can you see this? Huawei is here for you. Very comfortable in my hand. Now, look at that. This is something beautiful also. To remove what? To remove face. Can you see this? Nice. You can do something like that to remove it. But I want to do something like what? Like that. This is better. Okay, and another one. Better. Can you see this? Nice and nice. Okay, this is good. This is cool. Now I can put this here for more security. Okay, now I'm ready for the unboxing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God! Look at that! Look at that, brother! Can you see this? Do you believe this? This is definitely not a joke. Look at how it looks like. Wow. I'm shocked. I'm very shocked. Good impression. Look at this watch. how it look like. Everything. This is cool. You can see face direction. What you can do. But look at very well. Wow. This is definitely a new watch. Definitely. This is my brand new first smart watch ever. Wow. And power button here. And mic. Okay, sachet in this screen. This is very, very nice. Very, very cool, bro. Okay. No problem. Now, let's start by make the unbox. Ooh, Jesus Christ. Can you see this, brother? Look at that. This watch is definitely not heavy. Definitely not heavy, brother. Definitely. Can you see this? Look at the screen. Everything. This is cool. Cool. I love it. Okay. Now, before we remove it, I want just to test something. I want just to see something. Look at this box. Ooh, look at what you can do. You can remove this just like that. And this is cool. And what's inside? Nothing. Okay, no problem. And look at what you have here. You have your USB cable. You have quick start kits here. Ooh. Let's take this right now. Ooh, this is amazing. What is this, brother? This is all information you need to know about this device. Wow. Unfortunately, I have no time to read all of this. Sorry. Now, another one. What is this? Warranty card. Okay. Nice. This is cool also. Sorry. What else? What is this? Okay. Your email, something. And what? Okay. I think you had nothing. No. Okay. And what is here? Okay. Can remove. Okay. Your USB cable to charge your device. Seriously? And look at how it look like. This is magnetic. Okay. USB magnetic. Okay, remove the sachet. Can you see this? Okay. And what else? Look at this size. This is small size. Okay. Good. USB. Nice. Okay. Great. This is beautiful. Okay. And let me see this watch very, very well. Look at that. Look at you have Huawei here. And it's black. Midnight black. Wow. This watch is very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful in my opinion. Now, let's try to remove this. What is this? I don't know. But bye-bye. Okay. Look at what I have in front of me right now, brother. Can you see this? This is not a joke. Now, let's try to remove this. Wow, it's really cool. Very, very cool. Wow, look at how it looks like, brother. Can you see this? Huawei and every information you need to know right now is in front of you. You can remove this. You need to open this like that. Okay, and it's great. Okay, and what is this? This is magnetic, and this is where you can use your charger to charge your phone. But it's really magnetic. Oh God. It's really magnetic. Oh my God. Oh no way. Oh, what are you doing? Jesus Christ. What have I done to you? Woo. And this is so cool. Bro, what can I do to charge my phone? Because this is definitely magnetic. I don't know. What is this? This is very crazy, brother. Wow. This is crazy. What can I do? Everything magnetic. It can stop in this position. What? I don't know how to charge this thing, Baba. Because of the magnetic is very strong. Very strong. Very strong. I don't know. Wow. The magnetic is... Oh, God. What can I do to charge this thing, brother? I don't know, brother. Wow. This is very crazy. Very crazy. I don't know, seriously. Because of magnetics. Wow, I don't know. This is crazy. I will try this after because I thought maybe I can turn. I turn to try. What is beyond is working? And it's working right now. Do you believe this? Damn. Can you see this? When you do something like that, it's not working. It's not working. Look at it. It's not working. You need absolutely to turn or something like that. Oh God. And now it's cool. Jesus Christ. Damn. This is a miracle. And now you can use your computer or charger adapter to charge your beautiful and amazing watch. I think that it can take a few minutes, just 60 minutes to charge your device for 10 days. This is something better than Apple Watch. Okay, maybe I will tell you this after. Okay. Now, this is the device. This is your watch, your new watch. And I love this material. It's very impressive. It's very good. Okay. Let's sachet here. Let's try to remove this. And okay. I know what you are talking about. Can you see this? The screen is large. It's big. It's big screen. Something like that. Please wait. Let me show you my old watch. This is my old watch. Look at this screen. And now look at my brand new watch. Can you see the difference? The difference is here. I don't know what to see. Okay, let's turn on first this watch. You have power button here. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. And you can see Huawei. Seriously, vibration. Oh, amazing screen. We have English. Okay, English. We have French. Let's test English, you can see or swipe app. Download Huawei Health from app gallery. Can you see this?